NEET PG 2025 is not just another examination. This year, with 2 shifts, unpredictable normalization, and an ever tougher competition, it's an academic and mental battlefield. But what if I told you most toppers don't just study hard, they follow a systematic strategy to help them beat normalization, adapt to exam shifts, and also get clinical branches. Today I will reveal 5 highly actionable and evidence-backed hacks you need to master right now to stay ahead in NEET PG 2025. This is not a generic advice you have heard before. This is tactical. Ready? Let's go. Hack number 1. Shift adaptive study clock. Here's the thing, NEET PG 2025 will now happen in 2 separate shifts, morning and afternoon. But did you know that your cognitive sharpness peaks at different times for different people? A study in Journal of Experimental Psychology found something surprising. If you're not mentally ready for a task at a certain time, your performance can drop by 20%. So what is the solution for this? Start simulating mock exams at both 9 AM and 2 PM on alternate days. Align your toughest topics with your off-peak times so your brain adapts to function under less than ideal conditions. Remember, NEET PG 2025 will definitely normalize scores but cannot normalize biological rhythms. Train your body to peak in both shifts. Hack number 2. Advanced Recall Spacing Model. Top NEET PG toppers don't just read. They test themselves and revise the same topics again and again with smart gaps in between using AI tools like Remnote and Anki. Here is a simple version you can apply today. Study a topic like cardiovascular pharmacology, then quiz yourself right away without peeking at your notes. That's active recall. Next, add it to Smart Revision Schedule. Review it after 1 day, then 3 days, 7 days, 15 days, and so on. Use these tricks especially on important clinical topics like emergency medicine, radiology's MCQs, and infectious diseases because NEET PG is focusing more on application-based concepts. Hack number 3. Clinical scenario mapping to exam patterns. Post 2019, NEET PG has shifted towards 70 to 80% clinical scenario-based multiple choice questions, and here's how to weaponize this. Maintain a clinical concept notebook where you break down each topic into a patient case format. Look, don't just memorize stuff like pneumonia means give antibiotics. Instead, think like this. A 50-year-old man comes with fever and cough. You think this is pneumonia and you treat with amoxicillin clavulanic acid. See, turning it into a real-life case helps you remember it faster and better. This not only helps you recall but also makes you exam ready. And now it's time for hack number 4, revision framework. Stop using random revision pattern. Instead, follow this expert advised breakdown. 3 hours daily for your strong subjects like medicine or surgery. 2 hours daily for your moderate subjects like ENT and ophthalmology. And 1 hour daily exclusively for weak topics or volatile high-yield areas like biostatics and psychiatry. See, 60% of your marks come from your comfort zone and the rest, it's about fixing your weak spots. NEET PG 2025 is a game of efficient and smart preparation, not just grinding hard. And now it's time for hack number 5. Mental shield against normalization and uncertainty. See, the harsh truth is 2 shifts plus normalization means you can score well and still everything can go wrong. So how does toppers stay ahead mentally? First, visualization of high pressure exam scenarios. Second, mindfulness breathing to lower anxiety. Third, practicing positive affirmations. I perform at my best under any condition. Because at the end of the day, it's all about giving your best and leaving the rest for fate to decide. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it and found it informative. And if you did, please press that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such content ahead. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.